True legacy preservation means looking at your grandkids and knowing you built a fortress so secure that no storm will ever threaten the roof over their heads. But while you focus on building that future, automated insurance drones are scoring your property from public airspace, using a single uncertified component to justify a 40% downgrade on your policy's structural equity. We have vetted the top local, independent roofing contractors in Platte County who prioritize authentic craftsmanship over high-volume sales targets, ensuring your home remains both physically and contractually untouchable. 1. Accord Roofing. Their mission: build a permanent structural shield for your family estate. Why it matters: they use precise, deliberate hand-nailing techniques instead of rushed nail guns, ensuring your architectural shingles last their full intended lifespan without hidden installation defects. 2. Becker Exteriors. The mission: eliminate transaction friction and deliver an effortless, stress-free restoration. Why it matters: they bridge the gap between complex insurance claims and premium material upgrades, ensuring you get maximum structural protection without the administrative headaches. 3. SP Roofing, LLC. Their mission: deliver luxury tier architectural execution without the corporate price tag. Why it matters: they provide high-end slate alternatives and rapid storm stabilization directly from local craftsmen, avoiding bloated regional markups entirely. 4. RSG Construction. Their mission: bring absolute clarity and precision to structural damage assessments. Why it matters: led by former insurance adjusters, they know exactly how to secure an honest claim valuation while matching your lakefront property with high-wind metal architecture that withstands heavy open water glare. 5. Sunrise Exteriors. Their mission: introduce modern, energy-efficient insulation systems to your home. Why it matters: for over 20 years, they've installed advanced cool roofing systems that radically lower your summer cooling costs while completely eliminating rotten structural wood. 6. Easton Roofing LLC. Their mission: secure your home with high-tier manufacturer structural warranties. Why it matters: they integrate advanced water diversion frameworks and seamless gutters into your roofline, protecting your home's foundation from costly, long-term erosion. 7. Century Roofing. Their mission: provide pristine, zero-compromise roof tear-offs with zero sales pressure. Why it matters: this woman-owned team specializes in impact-resistant Class 4 shingles, locking in long-term structural discounts on your home insurance policy with an immaculate, mess-free cleanup. 8. Brady Contracting and Consulting. Their mission: provide rapid, face-to-face emergency storm defenses. Why it matters: with over a century of combined experience, this GAF Master Elite team gives you direct access to the owner, walking you through every material decision without automated, out-of-state call centers. 9. AJ Roofing and Exteriors. Their mission: build high-durability retrofits for highly exposed lakefront properties. Why it matters: as certified Owens Corning specialists, they deploy advanced composite polymer systems specifically engineered to endure high-velocity winds and pounding lakeside hail. 10. Collins Roofing. Their mission: deliver historic, time-tested structural metal and shingle combinations. Why it matters: serving the community since 1979, they build unpretentious, rock-solid roof assemblies that align perfectly with local municipal codes and the exact demands of the Missouri climate. Your home is your most valuable capital asset. Leaving its structural integrity to anonymous door knockers is a massive financial risk. Work with these leading roofers in Weatherby for your peace of mind. The AJ Center tracks the independent teams that actually deliver exceptional local craftsmanship. If your roofing company has the fire and the reputation to protect families across Weatherby Lake, submit your operational track record to info@theajcenter.com for consideration in upcoming regional indices.